Hello friends, in today's video, Google is going to tell about the new future. You will know by watching the 10 panel. Watch the video till the last for full details. And one thing is for you. If you want to make an Android application, then you can contact us, we give you complete information. Let's start the today video friends. Google is rolling out a new feature, the purpose of which is to alert users about earthquakes immediately. The tech giant started rolling out the new earthquake alert feature on Android devices in April for select countries. Now, the company is expanding the list of countries. In cases of earthquakes, an early warning can help prepare people for aftershocks. Google plans to use a wide network of Android devices to provide people with timely, useful earthquake information, and warns for a few seconds to protect yourself and your loved ones if necessary. Android phones can be part of an earthquake alert system using this feature. Android phone can be a mini seismometer, which joins millions of other Android phones to form the world's largest earthquake detection network. All smartphones come with tiny accelerometers that can sense the signals that an earthquake is about to occur. If the phone detects something it thinks might be an earthquake, it sends a signal to Google's earthquake detection servers, along with a rough location of the location where the tremor occurred. The server then aggregates information from multiple phones to determine whether an earthquake is occurring. Even when users see earthquake or earthquake near me, they'll get results relevant to their area of helpful resources on what to do after an earthquake. Users who do not wish to receive these alerts can turn them off in the device settings. In the first phase of the rollout, Google introduced the Android earthquake alert system in Greece and New Zealand. Last week, Google launched the feature in Turkey, the Philippines, Kazakhstan, the Kyrgyz Republic, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. The company is trying to roll out the facility at a faster rate in countries that record earthquakes more frequently. How did you feel after listening to the information? Do not forget to comment. Similar new topics and new will be meet in the video.